Welcome to Feli Maths Academy. I'm Felicitas Chenge. Up there we have an implicit function y squared minus 5xy plus 8x squared is equal to 2. We are to prove that dy dx is equal to 5y minus 16x all over 2y minus 5x. Right? An implicit function is a function that is not clearly defined for y. Y is not given as an explicit. We haven't expressed y in terms of x. So for that function, to differentiate that function, we can differentiate that function with respect to x. So to differentiate that function with respect to x, we have y squared minus 5xy plus 8x squared is equal to 2. Right, to differentiate that function. For this part, differentiating y squared with respect to x, let's assume it is a product. We use the product rule. We have y squared. Y squared is just the same as y times y. This becomes our u, this becomes our v. We can use the differentiating, we can differentiate it using the product rule. So the product rule is it that the derivative of d dx of uv is equal to u dv plus v du. Obviously it's dx there. So our u is y, our v is y. So the derivative is equal to our u is y, then dv dx is dy dx, plus our v is y times du dx is dy dx. So if we add y dy dx plus y dy dx, we get 2y dy dx. So the derivative of y squared becomes 2y dy dx. Then for minus xy, we do the same again. The product, we use the product rule. We have minus 5xy. This is our u, this is our v. So u dv plus v du. Right, our u there is minus 5x. Then our dv, the derivative of this part is dy dx, plus v, it's y. Then du it's minus 5. So it's minus 5x dy dx. Sorry, right. Minus 5x dy dx plus y times minus 5 is minus 5y. So this is the derivative of this part. So it's minus 5x dy dx minus 5y. Then the derivative of this part, these two drops and multiplies this plus 8. It becomes plus 16x is equal to the power, we subtract 1 from the power, so it's to the power 1, is equal to the derivative of a constant is 0. Then we factor out dy dx there. So our dy dx is equal to, we factor out dy dx. So if we factor out dy dx for this part, we multiply by this dy dx into 2y dy dx is 2y into minus 5x dy dx, it's minus 5x. Then this, all this crosses the equal sign. So is equal to this becomes this becomes positive 5y, so it's 5y. This 16 plus 16x becomes minus 16x. Then to remain with dy dx, we divide both sides by 2y minus 5x by 2y minus 5x. So this into this one into this one. So we remain with dy dx is equal to 5y minus 16x all over 2y minus 5x. So we've managed to prove, shown or proven, we've managed to prove that dy dx is equal to 5y minus 16x all over 2y minus 5x from our implicit function y squared minus 5xy plus 8x squared is equal to 2. Right, thank you very much. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, so that you get notified if I upload another video. And also remember to share to family and friends who may find this useful. Thank you.